Welcome back to Cooking at Pam's Place. I'm Chef Pam and we're getting ready to make Thekua. It's an Indian biscuit, pretty much what I would call a cookie, and it is delicious. And if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, just keep hanging around because I have a whole channel full of recipes that'll get you there. Let's get busy. We are back and I have the main ingredients to make Thekua right here. I'm going to go over those. But guys, Thekua is typically served during the celebration of Chhath Puja in November. But I'm participating in a collaboration with Cooking with Anadi, #MyCookingJourney2021. So I've decided to go ahead and make this for you all today. Now we have ground cardamom, we have some ghee, shredded coconut, organic raw sugar, and cornmeal. Now I've substituted a couple of the original ingredients that would typically go in this Indian biscuit because I couldn't get my hands on those. So the first thing we want to do is combine our water and sugar together. You want to stir this until the sugar is completely dissolved. Keep stirring until it starts to thicken, and once it starts to just thicken, we're going to remove it from the heat and set it aside. Next, we're going to mix in all of our dry ingredients, and I will have all of the measurements and ingredients down in the description. All you have to do is come back to the video, click on it, drop down to the description, and you will see everything. This is cardamom. I just added the cornmeal. And while I am mixing this, guys, do me a favor, go ahead, if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell to all, and be sure to share the video out. I just put in my shredded coconut as well. Now make sure your hands are very clean because we're getting ready to get in here and get this mixed up with our hands. So now we're going to put in our ghee, adding a little bit at a time and mix it until it is in fine crumbs. This is where our hands come in at. Now we're going to go in with some of our syrup and start to mix that in. You want to knead it until it's a nice, slightly hard dough. So just keep kneading it. Okay, that should do it. Now we're going to cover it and let it sit for 10 minutes and we'll be back. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, so now we are going to shape our dough. And for this, you just want to pinch off a good amount. Shape it into a circle. Flatten it out. You can keep it into a circle or you can shape it into any other shape you want. I'm going to make mine into like a teardrop. And then you can take a fork or a cookie mold to make whatever design you want. I am actually using just a skewer here. Made that one going in the wrong direction, but that's okay. And then you just want to continue. I'll do another, then I'll go ahead and knock these out. Yeah, this smells really good already, guys. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna knock these out and we'll head over to the stove. So we have made all of our cookies. Now we're going to heat up our oil and get them fried up to golden brown. Don't they look delicious already? Yes, and that amount made looks like what I call a baker's dozen, 13 cookies or 13 biscuits. We are ready to go. Make sure your oil is heated on medium to low heat. You don't want it to cook up too fast. You want them to be done inside. Okay, I think we're ready now. Do not overcrowd. Work in batches. All right, it's time to get these turned over. You want to gently turn them over. They should be golden brown on the other side now. Let's see, I don't want to turn it over too fast. Oh, look at that color. Beautiful golden brown. Just what we want. Yes, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, and these are ready to come out. They are looking amazing. Doesn't that look good, guys? Nice and golden brown. Okay, I'm going to get the second batch done and we'll be back. This is the second batch that just came out. Don't they look amazing? Oh my goodness. We're going to get these plated up over here. And if you guys got anything out of this video, if you enjoyed this video, please share it out to all your social media and be sure to subscribe. Don't these look amazing, guys? Oh my goodness. Now you know I have got to do a taste test on this one, but let's break one open so we can see what it looks like on the inside. Oh my goodness, you can even see the flakes of coconut in there. Looking good. Oh my God, and it's going to be tasting better. Okay, let me adjust. Oh, all right, all right, all right. Take another look, take another look. Don't they look good, guys? Oh my goodness. And the one I broke apart, you can see the coconut flakes in there? Oh, it looks delicious. So let's give the bite. It is still hot. It's still hot. Oh my goodness. Delicious, delicious, delicious. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today in my kitchen. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing and the creek don't rise.